So hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So friends, today we are going to see the new question of the Blind 75 series, which is the top k frequent elements. So let's first understand the question. The question is given an integer array nums and an integer k. Return the k most frequent elements. You may return the answer in any order. Means we have given one array and we have given one integer value k. So we have to return from the array the k most frequent elements which are present in the array. For example, if we look at the example one, the nums array is 1 1 1 2 2 3, right? So count of 1 in the array is 3, count of 2 is 2, and count of 3 is 1. So we have to return the k frequent elements, means we have to return two elements which are most frequently coming in the array. So in this two elements which are most frequently coming are 1 and 2. 3 is the least frequently coming element, so we will remove 3, right? So let's understand how we are trying to do this, how we will approach this question. So suppose friends, let's take the example triple one triple double two three. So suppose friends, we have this array one 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 double two, and suppose we have three, and k is equal to 2. Means we have to return the two elements which are more frequently coming in the array. So first, friends, what we will do, we will store the elements and its frequency in an hash map. For example, frequency of 1 is 3, frequency of 2 is 2, and frequency of 3 is 1. Right, friend? So now we, after storing this frequency in the hash map, what we will do, we will make one priority queue. Why we are making priority queue? Because priority queue we are using because in the priority queue we will means we will sort the queue on the basis of the frequency. For example, in the priority queue we will add this key and their frequency, this key and their frequency. In this priority queue we will add these things, right? And then we will travel we then we will traverse this map. And after, we have to, what we have to keep in mind, then we have to output k elements. So as our count of the priority queue becomes greater than k, we will pull elements from the priority queue, right, friend? So what we are doing, suppose now, let's understand again. 1 1 1 double 2 3, and k is equal to 2, right? So we have stored 1 as 1 3 in the map, 2 as 2 in the map, 3 as 1 in the map, right? Now what we will do, we will store these, we will traverse this map, right? What we will do, we will traverse one and traverse this map and store it in the priority queue, right? 1 3. And after storing, we will check whether size of the priority queue has become greater than k or not. If it is not become greater than k, then we will keep on storing. Now it is size of the priority queue is 1, but it is less than k, right? Now we will come on the second value. The We will store 2 comma 2. We will check if it is greater than k or not. No, it is not greater than k. We will come on third one. We will store 3 comma 1, right? Now we will check whether this size of the priority queue is greater than k. If it is greater than k, then we will poll the priority queue. Why we are polling the priority queue? Because we have to only give the output of k elements, and we, in the priority queue, we will poll on the basis of the least frequency. So currently the least frequency element will be polled out from the priority queue. So in this 3 comma 1, which in this priority queue, which element has the least frequency? The answer is 3. So 3, this 3 has the least priority. Then we will poll this element from the priority queue. This will be pulled out. So our left priority queue is 1 comma 3, 2 comma 2. And then after, we will output the key value of the priority queue 1 and 2. I hope friends you have understood the logic what we are trying to do. Now let's code this question. So friend, what we will do, first we will make one class pair, right? And in this class we will have int key and int frequency, right? Then public pair int k comma int f, and this dot key equal to k, and this dot frequency equal to f, right? Now friends, what we will do now, int n equal to nums dot length length. Now we will create one hash map integer integer map equal to new hash map, right? And now we will traverse the array, and we will store the key and frequency in the hash map. What we will do, map dot put nums of I. Now map dot get or default. This function will check whether it is present. If it is present, it will take out the count of that one. If it is not present, it will assign 0 as the key value, right? 0 plus 1 means what it is doing. Then suppose nums of I is already present in the map, then it will get that value in the from the map, and it will plus 1. If it is not present, then it will default that value as 0, and then it will plus 1, right? Now we have did this. Now what we will do, now we will create one queue priority queue. In the priority queue, what we will do, priority queue pair pq equal to new priority queue and new comparator, right? And what we public int compare pair a comma pair b, right? And what we will return a dot fric minus b dot frequency, right? So what we are doing, we will pull that element which has the minimum frequency, right? Now friend, now what we will do, we will I slash map dot key set, right? Now what we will do, we will take the values key. What is this? Key is I, and frequency of that will be map dot get I, right? Now we have got the frequency. Now we will add this frequency in the priority queue. This pq dot add new pair key slash frequency, right? Now we have added. Now we will check if the size of the priority queue is greater than k. Then we will poll, right? Now we have to return it in the answer form, in the array form. Then what we will do, int answer equal to new int k, and while not pq dot is empty, right? Now what we are doing, we are entering the key values of the priority queue in the answer, so that we can return that answer in the array form, right? Answer of j plus plus is equal to pq dot poll dot key, right? Now we will return, what we will return, answer from the question. Let's check. Let's run first check, then we will see what it is coming. Compiler error is coming in the line number 21. New priority queue pair. Just a minute. Let me check. Let me check whether priority queue continue. Thirty-one new pair we have added. New pair. This is gone. And what we have did here, we have new priority queue equal to new priority queue, new comparator, public int compare pair A pair B. What error saying, it is saying not is not abstract and does not override abstract method compare of the comparator. Mm, applicant. Now let's first run again. Let me check. Yeah, periodic 21. I think I have done some error in the syntax. Just a minute. Let me command C. Article. So friends, the issue was that in the comparator also we have to assign that what we are comparing. This pair I have missed. Now let's run the test cases. So both the test cases are passing. Let's submit the question, submit the solution. So friends, if you can see all the test cases are passing. So friends, I hope you have got the approach how we will approach this question. So friends, let's meet in the next question and please subscribe the channel. Your subscription always gives you the motivation to make further videos. So yeah, thanks and bye.